Hey friend, let me ask you something. How much water have you had today? And I don't mean just sipping a glass here or there. I mean truly hydrating your body. Most men over 50 are making a hydration mistake every single day without even realizing it. And it's silently affecting your energy, strength, blood pressure, and even your brain function. Stick with me for the next few minutes, and I'll explain why simply drinking more water isn't enough, why your cells might still be dehydrated, and the one mineral that actually pulls water inside your body where it counts. And hey, before we dive in, tell me where you're watching from in the comments below. Also, hit that like button if you've ever felt drained, swollen, or just off, even after drinking water. And if you haven't already, subscribe. We share weekly tips to help you feel strong, vital, and in control of your health. Here's the first thing I want you to know. Water is the second most vital element your body needs for life. Think about it. Oxygen is first, no surprise there. But after oxygen, it's water. You can go minutes without oxygen, but just a couple of weeks without water, and your body starts shutting down. Now here's the kicker. Most men think drinking water is enough to stay hydrated. They think, I drink plenty of water, I'm fine. But here's the truth. Most of that water never actually gets inside your cells. I hear this all the time from patients. I drink water, but my feet swell. I go to the bathroom constantly. I just don't like drinking water. If you've said any of these, it tells me the water isn't reaching where it needs to, your cells. And when cells are dehydrated, your energy drops, joints ache, digestion slows, blood pressure rises, and even your mood and mental clarity suffer. So what's the missing link? It's not more water. It's the right kind of minerals, especially sodium, to pull that water into your cells. Hi, I'm Dr. Jocelyn, and for the past 5 years, I've worked with men over 50 to optimize hydration, blood pressure, and energy levels naturally. I've seen men who thought they were drinking enough water, only to discover their bodies were chronically dehydrated, and their health was silently deteriorating. Today, I'll walk you through the science of hydration, the mistakes most men make, and a simple, safe way to ensure your water actually reaches your cells. Let's break it down, habit by habit, mistake by mistake, and I'll explain biologically, emotionally, and practically why each matters. Mistake number 1, ignoring the power of minerals, especially sodium. Most men think all salt is bad, but here's the truth. Sodium is the third most vital element your body needs. Without it, water can't properly enter your cells. Biological. Sodium works with potassium in your cells through the sodium-potassium pump, a mechanism that maintains fluid balance, nerve signaling, and muscle function. Too little sodium or the wrong type, like table salt, can prevent hydration. Emotional. When your cells are dehydrated, you feel sluggish, irritable, and frustrated. Daily tasks seem harder than they should. Practical. Men often drink water, but their cells remain thirsty. Result? Swelling in feet, frequent bathroom trips, fatigue. The solution? Use a mineral-rich salt like Celtic salt, which contains magnesium, chloride, and dozens of other minerals. Even a small crystal on your tongue before drinking water can pull water into your cells more efficiently. Mistake number 2, drinking too much water at once. Ever chugged a whole glass of water because you're thirsty? That can backfire. Biological. Drinking too much water at once overwhelms the body if you don't have minerals to help absorb it. The water quickly passes through your kidneys, leaving your cells dehydrated. Emotional. You feel bloated, frustrated, and tired because your body isn't getting the hydration it truly needs. Practical. Spread your water intake throughout the day. Small sips consistently, like nature sends rain. Gentle, steady, not a flood. Think of it like watering a plant. Pour too much all at once and it runs off. Water it gradually and it nourishes the roots. Mistake number 3, relying on table salt. Most men sprinkle table salt on everything without realizing it. Biological. Table salt is stripped of most minerals, leaving sodium and chloride alone. Without the other minerals, it can actually contribute to high blood pressure and poor hydration. Emotional, chronic high sodium from table salt leaves you feeling bloated, heavy, and anxious about your health. Practical. Replace table salt with Celtic salt, which has 82 natural minerals, including magnesium, a water-hungry molecule that pulls water inside your cells. Wait until you hear how magnesium literally hydrates your cells faster than just drinking water alone. It's fascinating. Mistake number 4, low potassium intake. Potassium is the most concentrated mineral inside your cells, and it balances sodium. Biological. Without enough potassium from fruits and vegetables, sodium accumulates outside your cells, causing them to swell. This swelling is linked to high blood pressure and fatigue. Emotional. Low potassium leaves you feeling weak, unsteady, and frustrated with daily activities. Practical. Eat potassium-rich foods, bananas, leafy greens, avocados, and tomatoes. Pair with mineral-rich water for optimal hydration. Mistake number 5, skipping fat in your diet. Here's a surprising one. Many men avoid fats thinking they'll get fat. Biological. Healthy fats help regulate hormones, slow digestion, and improve nutrient absorption. Without fats, glucose spikes, insulin misfires, and hydration efficiency drops. Emotional. You feel hungrier, cranky, and drained despite eating more carbs. Practical. Include healthy fats like olive oil, avocado, nuts. These help your cells retain water and function optimally. Mistake number 6, low vitamin D and calcium intake. Calcium and vitamin D are crucial for cell hydration and function. Biological. Vitamin D pulls calcium into cells, which helps regulate water balance and muscle function. Without it, cells remain dehydrated. Emotional, weak muscles, fatigue, and increased injury risk. Practical. Get sunlight daily and eat foods rich in vitamin D and calcium. Think salmon, eggs, and leafy greens. Mistake number 7. Chronic dehydration affects every organ. When your body is dehydrated, mouth produces too much or too little saliva, affecting digestion. Stomach lining becomes thin, increasing ulcer risk. Pancreas cannot produce proper insulin, glucagon, or digestive enzymes, affecting blood sugar and digestion. Brain cells shrink, causing headaches and negative thought patterns. Joints stiffen, eyes dry, lungs struggle to fully oxygenate blood. This is why just drinking water isn't enough. It's not hydration if your cells don't absorb it. Here's how to fix it step by step. Switch to Celtic salt, a small crystal on your tongue before each glass of water. Spread water intake. Sip throughout the day, 8 to 10 glasses, never chug. Eat potassium-rich foods daily. Include healthy fats, olive oil, avocado, nuts. Get vitamin D, sunlight or supplements, plus calcium-rich foods. Minimize table salt. Replace with mineral-rich alternatives. Monitor your hydration cues. Watch urine color, energy levels, joint comfort. Even small changes, a crystal of Celtic salt and consistent sips, can dramatically improve energy, blood pressure, and cell hydration. I know it might feel overwhelming at first, but here's the truth. You don't need a drastic overhaul. Even subtle changes, like small sips, a sprinkle of the right salt, a handful of greens, start working immediately. Your body is resilient, and even if you've been making hydration mistakes for years, you can reverse the effects. Your joints, brain, and heart will thank you. So friend, remember, age is not the enemy. Small intentional changes can bring comfort, freedom, and confidence back into your life. If this video helped, like it, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Share in the comments, what's one hydration habit you're going to start today? Stay informed, stay healthy, and most importantly, stay hydrated the right way. Your cells, joints, heart, and brain will thank you.